Hi, my name is Janie. I did my internship under my mentor, Dr. Perez, in her lab at UC Davis School of Veterinary Medicine. Ever since high school, my enjoyment of doing lab work has been prominent, as I was a hands-on learner who liked to figure out the answer by myself. My internship allowed me to continue to pursue this interest, while also giving me the opportunity to explore other roles within research that I otherwise would not get to look into. I worked on a research project studying the integration of livestock in crop fields and its potential risks for food safety. The objective of the study was to identify if there's any similarities between the soil genome and the fecal genome from the sheep grazing the soil. Our concern is that if there's pathogen present in the sheep fecals, that it could potentially spread to the soil and become a food safety risk. I was tasked to extract DNA and amplify a select region of the gene to later do a sequencing analysis. Going into the internship, I want to focus on doing lab bench work. However, my mentor encouraged me to explore other tasks as well. One thing I grew interested in doing was data analysis. I was fascinated by how a PhD student used our programming to analyze data collected from her experiments. I found it profoundly captivating that you could write lines of code and transform a large dataset of numbers into visually informative tables that conveyed critical information. When I expressed my interest in conducting data analysis with my mentor, she provided me with resources to learn R and gave me additional projects to do some data analysis. R programming was something I found interesting but was too intimidated to learn. It looked complex and I didn't have the motivation to learn it till my internship. I'm grateful that I had a mentor that was extremely supportive and patient with me. We would hold weekly discussion to learn R syntax data types and how to do statistical analysis. Also, my mentor would inform me and encourage me to attend R workshops. One of the R workshops that we attended, I got to learn how to utilize different R packages. From there, I got to work on a second project. This research project is about the grazing of sheep in orchard, where I learned how to manage and analyze lab and field data. I analyzed a dataset in R to generate tables showing the relationship of how different grazing treatments resulted in the number of positive samples for foodborne pathogens. This project was challenging, but the experience was most valuable. I had a wonderful experience at my internship. As it came to a close, I had a meeting with my mentor to discuss career options. Knowing that I had an interest in data analysis, we discussed different options for grad school. Reflecting on my experience, I learned research is a field that I want to go into, and analyzing data is something I will continue to explore.